Daniel with Adventures with Daniel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this Dometic fridge that I got when I was in Easter Jeep Safari. I've been wanting a 12-volt fridge for my Jeep, and I ended up picking one up while I was out there, so I figured I'd do an unboxing on film so we can all check it out. Alright, so that was just the packing box, obviously. So this is the Dometic Cool Freeze CFX 35W. So this is one of their smaller models. I didn't want a huge model, because usually it's just me or maybe one other person. But it is refrigerator or freezer, which is pretty sweet. I think I paid, for those of you who are wondering, around $700 for it, which in the world of 12-volt fridges, at least quality stuff, isn't outrageous. I talked to him between this and the ARB, and obviously each one's going to tell you that theirs is better. I saw ARB just dropped a new fridge recently that has some options that this one didn't, like Bluetooth ability on your phone, connectivity, and some other things, but for my purposes, I think this will do the job. Also, I figured we could do a long-term review on it as I get more use. So, let's see if I can get this thing out of here. I know this has some additional insulation properties, but also to protect the unit, and then it's got some storage capabilities for like putting the extra power cable. Oh yeah, that's a nice setup. So it's reflective. It will aid in the cooling to some extent. And so that came with it as well. I don't know if that's always something that's included or you have to pay extra for it, but keep your eyes out if you plan on buying one, because they may at some point run another special where you'll get this for free as well. All right, there she is. Got spring-loaded handles. Obviously, top opening fridge. Comes with free silica gel packets in case you want those. It's got a 110 plug, which is pretty cool. For example, I have an event coming up this weekend, and being able to take this with just a few sodas and a couple of items in it is pretty awesome. So 110 and then 12 volt. And then the destruction manual. So they have a CFX 28, which is one size smaller than this. This is the 35. Then they have a 40, 50, 65, 75, and that one is a fridge and freezer separate. 95 and 100, so they get fairly large. Compressor actuated. You can change the brightness of the display. So it's got a light in here, a drain. It's the control panel there. Emergency override, normal use. It's got a USB charging port. That's pretty neat. Here's the inside. Gross volume is 34.5 liters. Storage volume is 32 liters. Serial numbers and such. It looks like a nice product. I'm really excited to get it in the Jeep, get it tried out, and then report back to you guys with some information about it. So again, here's the box with all the info as well. I really appreciate you taking the time today to watch this video. I'm Daniel with Adventures with Daniel, and I hope you're going to go out and adventure today. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.